La ila bradila baradaya ra. Erakaya tira barati ila dina bara. Erati titi kakapa kuampi ila bara. Le tira shapira, le pa aprati et le fra atirmina, le ila fra atanianaya. Shakira, le ila baradela mara, la ila bradila baradaya. Mina la ila baradio, rapam fra atira mara, le paratila mara. Father, let the church prevail. Let the oro, Amin Marakaya Baradi Baradi oro. Let the prevailing of the church be seen. Let the prevailing of the body be obvious. Maira. Leila. Lefira, Shakila Maradara. Lefrante, Kaparada, Yaminara. Lefria la Parada. Watiti, le tira, le frati, se le tita, le ila pa arabila, le fe ilara, me ilara, le ila baradala, in the name of Jesus, Mantira, let light prevail, let paradira, prevail in the body, prevail in the territory, let mina, prevail in the souls of men, in the hearts of men. Le fira rashaminara, le ira mentira, le free le para in the proposa anema pra atai, le fra ape emo pa aradia, le fra era, le ilos, je papa pe le fira, le fra era papa ila bara raila barara le shakile bara le mina le braila bara le la bara le mara le fra atina mara kadila bara. And the light shines in darkness, and darkness cannot comprehend it. Let ira paradise, Father, let your light prevail. Let your light prevail. Let paradira, let your fire of revival spread across the nations. Let the tongue of man be full of light, be full of fire. Let ira raatina. Le ilarara yaminarayara le ferdira barabababo sopratira la prania maale la ilora le borosara la manaya niamina me ila fratira la papa posofira la fra elesis le fanas, maile marara, leile bara, le baila marara, le frate icha papa poca paratia, le fratina, raati ile fratina marai, le fracasasha teledi, le fracasateta paracasata, le fratina marai, la ila fratina minadara. Let your spirit of fervency overshadow the people. Let your spirit of fervency envelop God's people right now. Metira, that will not be slothful in business, but will be fervent in spirit, serving the Lord. We serve the Lord in fervency. We serve the Lord in fervency. We serve the Lord with fervency. with light, with insight, with revelation, with knowledge. Maidara, Lefratampe, La Papa Guaranida, Lefira, Lefaniata. Let dry bones rise again. Let dry bones in the souls of men, in the spirit of men rise again. Let fratira, la pa alatira, mete capante, let burasa atina. Let the stronghold of lukewarmness be arrested. Let the stronghold of lukewarmness be arrested in the heart of God's people. In the name of Jesus. Mapapapira, Lepina, that they become fervent again, that they become revived again, that they begin to sense your power again, that they begin to sense your presence again. That they begin to experience your light again. Marara, Leira, Atira, Le fil, le ira fa aratina, me praati karakanti, le frakate, la arasha, le le ira, shafa, ira, let your fire be spread abroad.